Welcome back, second grade. We are going to do a quick review of this week's vocabulary words. And if you will look on the screen here, our first word was arrive. So I want you to think of some questions as we look at these vocabulary words again. So my question for you with arrive is, what happens when you arrive at school? And if you wanted to answer that, it might sound something like, when I arrive at school, I get to see my friends. So when I say the word and give you a question, think of a response to that question in your head. Our next one is grumpy. What makes you grumpy? Next we have joking. Can you tell when a friend is joking? Tucked. What is something tucked inside your folder? What is something tucked inside your folder? Stubborn. What could a stubborn baby do? Stubborn. Growled. If something growled outside, what could it be? Shrugged. When have you shrugged at a friend? Shrugged. And our last one, offered. Who is the last person who offered to help you? Offered. Okay, friends, now let's look at our little mini lesson. And today our anchor chart is on figurative language. Figurative language makes writing colorful and interesting, but the words and sentences don't mean exactly what they say, so it can be a little tricky. So we have 3 that we're going to focus on as we're reading our story in our My Book today. And the first one is a simile. A simile compares 2 different things using the word like or as. An example of that would be, she's as busy as a bee. That would be a simile because it's comparing 2 things with like or as. And the next one is hyperbole. A hyperbole is a statement that is so crazy it can't be true, such as, her smile was a mile wide. Is her smile really a mile wide? No, we're just trying to say it's really big. And the other one is idiom. An idiom is a phrase that means something different from its everyday meaning, like it was raining cats and dogs. So as you are reading your My Book story today, look for those 3 things in the story and see if you can find them. Good luck.